So I had promised you that I would show you the end product, the nice golden, crisp, crunchy Jamaican fritters. So even my son said he smelt it from upstairs. He had to look down to see what was happening because he said he smelled the aroma of the fritters, nicely seasoned, ready to eat. So I'm gonna take a little taste. Crunchy, crispy, nice. No salt added. And to all you hypertensive people who love to cook with salt, once you've added the saltfish to the flour mixture, there is no need to add any salt, as the saltiness from the saltfish will help to flavor the fritters. So please remember also that after you put it in the pot, that you need to monitor it, and after you take them out of the pot, you need to place them on an absorbent paper like grease paper, or even the regular hand towels. You can tear a piece of it just to absorb the extra oil. All right, so thereafter you're good to go. I'm enjoying my nice Jamaican fritters, stamp and go, blitters, whatever you choose to call it. Nice. Go and make your fritters and enjoy.